My friends, today we're making perfect, crispy, aromatic, fragrant garlic bread. Nothing can be simpler than that, but you know the secret is crispy golden on the outside and nice moist on the inside. Fragrant garlic aromas. Look at this perfect French baguette. I can't wait till we try it. So let's go. Come on. Come on, guys. Let's go.
Start off by slicing a chunk of your bread. Treat yourself with a generous piece. Don't be greedy.
Can you hear that? Yeah, unfortunately my neighbors are doing some renovation on the balcony. But you know what, I decided, fuck this, I will continue filming and I hope the recipe will not be less delicious because of that. Still carry on and we'll see how it goes. Thank you.
Now for the bread type. White bread with an open crumb is a classic for this dish. Open crumb means the bread is very soft and airy inside and has irregular holes throughout the loaf. Let your oven preheat already while you continue the preparation. Convection 200 degrees Celsius. Take a knob of butter and slice a good piece off. Soften by mashing with a fork. Peel fresh garlic. Determine the amount by how garlicky you want the bread to be. Finely chop flat leaf parsley. Unsalted butter needs some salt. If you use salted butter, skip this step. For some texture, tanginess and umami, add just a little bit of finely grated parmesan. Using a silicone spatula helps you spread the butter easily and quickly. Make an even, thick layer to cover every spot of the bread. Onto a baking tray. And into the oven. 200 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes, middle positioning. Successful garlic bread is 50% flavor, 50% texture. The texture should be crispy golden edges and the crust, but soft, fluffy and somewhat soggy center.
So, giving it a test. Yeah. Nice, salty. Garlicky. The parsley adds some herbiness. Guys, it's good. It's really good. Perfect. Sorry. Perfect. And with this, you eat some fresh, cold gazpacho soup. Guys, and you're in the skies, you're on the clouds. My friends, if you like the recipes I make, if you want to support me, see my creator journey, try nice recipes that are simple and just heartily, without no bullshit, without fifi-fuffy, just nice, good food for your soul, for your health. Subscribe to my channel, follow me along, and see you in the next one.